Hi. The more limitations I have, the better I trade. Indeed, when I have the best weeks and the best days, they are the days where I trade good quality, and they are weeks where I don't have too many trades and I trade higher quality setup. So I decided to change the management again just a little bit, so I traded 2R for a long time, pretty long time. But I understood, though it's really nice and a good system, but I want a bit higher RR, especially when I decided as well at the same time to trade only A quality setups. Um, and I want my RR to be 3R, and then I will see later. So I had overtrading issues, overtrading, over risking, and medium quality struggles. So um, for overtrading and over risking, one decision was to have a trade manager, but the other decision, which is, I don't fear to say it, a game changer, is a drawdown limiter. So this is a really cool thing that I will place links to it. But essentially what it does is you put your time range, it could be daily or a specific hour, and it will monitor your account. So you put account size, you tell him your maximum drawdown to account, and then your maximum daily drawdown. And if you reach your maximum daily drawdown, it will just close the terminal and you will not be able to trade. Of course, you can delete, you can basically delete um, you can delete the like the advisor, this EA, from the computer itself, but I already had several times where I just, when it closes the terminal, I realized there is nothing for me to do here. Why? Because, for example, I planned that my a maximum number of range positions, that means how many trades per day you can take is 5. This is more than enough for me, so 25 trades per week, and maximum number of open positions. So when you reach this, it will close the terminal. When you reach this, it will just close your newest trade. You can put your limitation on maximum risk, and yeah, and then you can have just close the terminal option. This is like perfect for me. So I basically I'm not over trading, I'm not over risking, and over risking is the manager which I described before. And at last I have a solution, and basically from the time I got these instruments, I didn't have these problems. And I mean, I felt emotional, but maybe. But then it just closed the terminal, and I mean, I know that I can't trade today, and there is nothing for me to do, so I just walk away. It feels much safer. It feels much better, and I think in the future I will record more videos about these instruments, because in one or another form, this is something that every trader should have. And of course, medium quality. The problem with big quality setups and B plus quality setups is, yes, they happen often, but also they give not so high win rate. And this is something, unfortunately, that no indicator can do for me. So I need to have the discipline to wait and to execute A quality setups. So for this, what I have a commitment to only trade A quality setups, because I kind of tired. Okay, I'm really tired of doing the same things again and again. And in my self research, which I will describe later as well in raw collection videos, raw experience collection videos, I had this written out today, so you can pause and read it. I will read it later. And in my trading plan, I said, I described what A quality setup means for me. So it's really simple description, but it's kind of deep. And Yeah, I know what I am looking for. I can check if this is A quality or not, and if not, I need to walk away. Also, I now do not trade 1 minute, but I will trade 5 minutes as confirmation. And also one more thing that I did is I quickly have this draft of how the ranges and how the models are looking like for A quality, B quality, and C quality setup. So for A quality, I need something like this, confluence of something like this. And also I have a collection of how my entry confirmation patterns look like. So like this, like this, like this, and so on. So I can refer to it, compare, and say honestly if this is my setup or not. And so far I'm in a drawdown, as you can see here. So yeah, so this is my drawdown, which I'm coming back to break even slowly. As you can see, the drawdown here was slow, here was a bit faster. And yes, I mean, this is the best drawdown I had quite in a while, because I had a lot of losing trades, mostly because of lower quality, but I didn't over risk, so the drawdown is really slow compared to how fast it can be in my situation. And then here I'm changing to 3R, and I hope we will see a new all-time high. So I'm feeling confident, I'm feeling calm, I'm feeling safe, and I'm really looking forward to continue the challenge, to continue everything. And by the way, as for my rule following challenge, I now have 15 days, so almost my previous record. My previous record was 16 days, so I want to take it to 20 and then to 30 and so on. I know the strategy works. I know it from a lot of trades. I saw it, I journaled it. I know what I need. I need these good quality trades and context, and I will get it. Yeah, one of the examples. So I had during past 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks a lot of losers, as you can see from here, from the dashboard. But one of the winners I wanted to discuss today is this one. So on stocks on Germany 30 and on US 100, 530, we are having a daily bullish range, even two ranges, in an overall bullish market. So daily is bullish, 4 hours is having this foundation of several consecutive shifts, and then creation of impulse, correction, impulse. And here we have the same pattern on 1 hour after accumulation, reaccumulation, and we have a range, and we have impulse, correction, and possible new impulse in the development. How we know that it is in the development? Because we are moving to 1 hour, 5 minutes for confirmation, and we have our structure, supply and demand zone, and confirmation here. So this is SSC entry. Better entry for impulse correction impulse would be here. This gave me 3R and went on the news all the way to 12R or 13R even. And I don't want to trade it now because I expect it to fade out a bit, to do something like this, and then tomorrow we will have new day. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, kind of like profit wise, the results are not there, but I feel something is changed. And I don't know, only time will tell. And probably I've said something like this in the previous videos, but I don't remember, to be honest. But I have the commitment to do what I need to do. Okay. See you in the next video.